A stray dog got itself trapped at the bottom of a 30-foot deep well and is in the risk of drowning. This animal lover is putting her life on the line in order to rescue that of the poor dog. The brave, compassionate woman is using a rope to descend the walls of the water source. Not an easy undertaking for sure. To make the matters worse, the rescuer doesn't know how to swim, but let's hope she won't need to. Seeing this brave woman doing everything within her power to give the dog a second chance at life is truly inspiring. She's trying to tie a rope around the animal's body and secure it before the guys at the top lift it up. She's determined to do whatever it takes to rescue the helpless dog and put an end to its nightmare. The poor dog must be cold and exhausted, must have spent hours stuck in the deep cold well, waiting for some help. The world definitely needs more people like this courageous woman. She's risking her own life just to save that of the precious animal. The rescue is taking longer than expected, but the 40-year-old woman is not giving up. Let's hope this rescue will end up well for both parties without any injuries. This woman deserves massive respect. Not everyone would be willing to put their lives at stake for the sake of saving an animal. The helpless dog must be scared to death, but thank goodness now it's in good hands. She's now trying to tie a second rope around the dog's body before the people at the top proceed to haul it up to safety. Her persistence at rescuing the helpless dog is just heartwarming. Locals at the top are anxiously watching the rescue, hoping they will both make it to safety soon. After so much arduous effort, the woman finally manages to tie the second rope on its body, and the dog is now ready to be lifted up. Locals at the top are now finally hauling the dog to safety. The rescue operation lasted for about 45 minutes. Once free, the dog ran away immediately. Its rescuers suffered a few cuts and bruises, but they are totally worth it.